Yeah, and guys, you need to watch this video from beginning to the end if you want to actually know what worked for me and how it's impacted my skin routine. So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, you're most welcome. Thank you guys for watching my video, for liking, for commenting. Like, I love you all. Like, I see what you do. Thank you for supporting this small YouTuber. And if you're watching my video for the first time, love you. Make sure you watch my other videos after watching this video. So guys, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification box and like my video, so that if you hit the notification box, you will know when a video comes up. Yeah, so by the title of this video, you already know what I'm going to be talking about and all. I think my last video was about my skincare product I use. So today I'm going to be talking about the natural skincare product I use. Like, this one has no chemical in it. It's a fresh fruit. Is it a fruit? No, it's related to the ginger family. Yeah, and I'm talking about turmeric. Like, I think it's popular. Like, people use it for their skin, people use it for cooking, people use it for different stuff and everything. So today I'm going to be talking in, I think, 4 stages. I'm going to be telling you the benefits of turmeric. I'm going to be telling you how I use it, like the proportion I used it in, like the measurements of what I used it in, and I'm going to be telling you the pros and cons. And extra, I'm going to be adding an extra bonus, like a story time. So guys, as you can see, like I'm without no makeup. In fact, I just woke up like I think 2 hours ago and all. Like, I didn't wash my face, I didn't cream my body, nothing. I haven't had my bath. In fact, I haven't brushed my teeth. I'm shooting this video now because I wanted to shoot it in 7 days time, but like, due to the remarkable, like, everything I felt while using this product, like, I was like, I need to tell you guys what happened and all. So like, I'm going to insert a short clip on how I use it and everything. Yeah, turmeric is good for the skin, oily, dry or itchy skin. In this video, I'm showing a DIY process of what I use on my face: honey, milk and turmeric. So if you want to create this mixture personally for yourself, because in this video I eyeballed it since I'd done it previously and I know the measurements I wanted to use, and I wanted to do it for my brother and I. You can use 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of milk and 1 teaspoon of honey. Turmeric has some anti-aging properties which helps to firm up the skin. It reduces inflammation. It gives you a natural youthful glow. It fades spots and helps to treat pimples, and it can also be used in whitening the teeth. So guys, now it's story time. Guys, so I went to Bowen University. If you watch my intro video, I'm going to leave it up. When I introduced myself, I said I went to Bowen University. It's a Christian school owned by the Baptists, yeah, and I did a 5-year course, food science and technology. And so during our final year, we have these points where we like do a presentation seminar on any topic, food related and everything. So like, I chose turmeric, and yeah, so like, you know, this thing that like when you're presenting, after your presentation and all, like lecturers, people would ask you questions for them to know if you really know what you're talking about. So like, I'd already planned with someone to like ask me a question after my presentation and all. So like guys, the funniest thing happened. Like I was shocked. Like, so like normally after the presentation on what I was presenting on, that's Tumeric, a friend was meant to ask me a question and I was meant to answer, and everybody was meant to like applaud. Oh, she knows what she's talking about. You get that type of thing, stuff like that. And guys, you won't believe that when the person asked me the question, I forgot the answer. Like yeah, your girl forgot the answer. Like God, like I wanted the ground to swallow me. Like I was really shaking, but like I didn't allow people to notice I was shaking, but inside me I was melting, I was breaking down, I was shaking and everything. I don't think I've told anybody this story apart from my FSC peeps and everything. In fact, I'm sure maybe some FSC people have even forgotten. Like FSC is short form for food science and technology. Some of my FSC people have forgotten that like maybe this thing happened to me and all. So anyway, I don't want this video to be long and all. So anyway, so I forgot the question. So like one of my favorite lecturers in school that time, I think he was the one that bailed me out and all. He saw what was happening and all, and he quickly asked me another question and I was able to answer it. And like, and one thing about FSC, we're a family, we're just like 23 in class, and I was able to answer it well and everybody clapped for me and all. Guys, when I got back to my seat, as your girl started having anxiety and all, I couldn't breathe properly and everything, so they had to rush me to the clinic. Yeah, your girl is a drama queen and all. So anyway, yeah, that's my story. So guys, let me go to the pros and cons of this. Guys, when you're using this turmeric, please don't use your hand. If you have a toothbrush, I say toothbrush, if you have a application brush, you can use it to apply it. If you have a spoon, please don't go and use the spoon your mother is using in the kitchen or your father is using in the kitchen and all. You can get a spoon that you can use and use the spoon to apply it in case you don't have an application brush and all, because it stains your hand. And two, guys, don't use your white towel for this. Just, I feel if you have a colored towel, because it stains. Yeah, it actually stains, like, so it's really going to stain your clothes and you don't want that. So that's just the pros. Yeah, that's the pros. And the cons of this is that, guys, I used this just literally yesterday, and when I rinsed it off my face, guys, I'm not lying, I'm not exaggerating, my skin was soft. Like, I could feel my skin soft, my skin was glowing. Number two, and like, I couldn't just stop looking at my face yesterday. Like, even my younger brother noticed it. He was like, you could tell us your secret now, what are you using for your face and all? And I was like, I just literally used turmeric this evening. And in fact, to see how vain I was, when I woke up in the morning, I carried the mirror and I was looking at my face and I still touched my face and it was smooth. Guys, if you can see what I'm talking about, I don't know if it can show in the camera and everything, my face is still smooth and my face is still glowing. Like, guys, I couldn't just wait to share this with you, because so you guys should try it out, or if you have tried it out before, tell me what you did, and maybe I did something that you didn't do, or you did something that I didn't do. You can put it out in the comment section. And guys, also, you don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification box to know when I upload videos or I upload any video. And guys, please don't forget to comment, and most importantly, subscribe. Bye.